Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce you to the HERKKA Stretch Wrap with handles, an industrial strength solution perfect for all your wrapping needs. This heavy-duty stretch film is crafted from high-quality plastic material, boasting a 60-gauge thickness that ensures durability and the ability to securely hold heavyweight, large, or oversized items with ease. Whether you're moving, storing, or simply organizing your office supplies, this versatile wrap is designed to protect your belongings without leaving any sticky residue behind. Each roll offers an impressive 15 inches by 1,000 feet of clear, premium stretch film, making it a reliable choice for various applications, including express logistics and household packing. The innovative double handles design makes it incredibly easy to use, allowing for quick and convenient application without the hassle of searching for additional tools. With HERKKA, you can trust in the quality and performance of your stretch wrap, ensuring your items are safe and secure during transit or storage. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and tips. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.